Product sourcing can mean dozens of Alibaba.com tabs, hours of copying and pasting the same questions, and then waiting days for suppliers to respond. Today, I'm giving Accio Work one product idea and letting its new sourcing toolkit handle the supplier conversation while I'm off the clock. But first, my name is Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get our negotiating on. Okay, so once you click on my link, you'll see this Accio Work. Okay, this is built for every type of business. Okay, early stage business, e-commerce seller, local retailer, and service business. All right, so it's for every type of business. Why choose Accio? Your AI business team, they have a whole team. And in security is trusted. It works with so many different agents and models like Cloud and ChatGPT. Okay, look at your business team right here. Okay, loved by over 10 million active users monthly. Okay, all right. So, have any questions? These are your answers to a lot of your questions. All right. So let's get started. Download for Windows. All right. You can, if you have a Apple, you can also do that. If you have a Mac, yes. So you go to next. All right. So now you choose the installation option. You go to next and then you install. All right. So once you press install, this will install into your computer. All right. Please wait. It installs very, very fast. Then you just press finish. Okay. Once it's finished, you can get started. Now you sign in. All right. And there's different ways you can sign in, different options. It's not just one way you can sign in. You can sign in with Google. You can continue with Alibaba.com, or you can sign in with your own email address. All right. I'm doing it with Alibaba. Sign into the Accio Work, right? So now the next thing is going to plugins. Okay. And we're going to Accio Sourcing Toolkit. All right. Now, that's so important. You want that Accio Sourcing Toolkit because in that kit is so many different things that can help you. So install that, please. Once you install the Accio Sourcing Toolkit, okay, you're going to see so many different things in your toolkit. Check it out. It was done that fast. Look at all the different agents you can work with. Accio Assistant, Shopify Expert, a design expert, a vibe selling expert. There's so many experts involved. Okay. So now, once you do that, you press done. All right. But look how many different experts out there, right? With Accio, with the sourcing toolkit. So once that's done, you're going to go to chat. Look in the right-hand corner, chat. Now we're going to pick Accio Sourcing Expert. Okay, we need an expert. 24/7 is a sourcing team. We can find the best suppliers, okay? They're going to help me find suppliers because I want to sell a tumbler. Okay, and on the tumbler, I want my hustle logo, and I want to say Inside Your Hustle, or maybe inside IYH maybe, So now put in the prompt. I want to source a 40-ounce stainless steel tumbler with a custom logo option, double wall installation, BPA-free materials, multiple colors, shipped to the United States. Help me find supplies and prepare a strong sourcing inquiry. Okay, once I put that prompt in, I press that green button and it will take me to different suppliers. Check out all the suppliers they found for me. All right. Remember, I'm trying to find the right supplier that I could buy the tumblers from. Okay, because I want to put my logo on there. I'm trying to branch out. I'm trying to have hustle merch. All right. Look at all the different ones. They found so many for me that can actually ship to the USA. All right. Look at all the ones with different colors, and it gives me a rating and the average, how long it's going to take, how long it's going to take to reorder the rate. Will it be able to deliver in my part of the country? Yes. Review this inquiry like a sourcing professional. Okay. What details are missing? If there's any details missing, they're going to find it. The expert, okay? The Accio sourcing expert will find it because I need all this information before I hit up a supplier. If you can't remember everything, they will remember it for you. That's what's so awesome. Now look at all the things it's saying that I'm missing. Okay, so now with that in mind, can you create a short professional supplier inquiry asking about unit price? Okay, MOQ, which is It's minimum order quantity. All right. So I need all that information before I hit up the supplier. What is your target? 100 to 500 pieces. Okay. That's all I want for now. Remember, this is small. I'm just starting out selling merch for hustle. I don't have a lot of merch. So let's start small. And I'm going with the California. Okay. Target sellers. They already found 3 for me. And it has to be shipped over to California. And look what it found for me. All right. It tells me so much information about them. Look at some of their merch they sell. Look at the different products they sell. And I see, oh, they even have the coffee mug where I can put my logo on. Here's the second company. All right. Look at this. It says, hi, I've been in the industry for years. Shoot me a message for more details. Okay. Yes, I can. Look at all the different tumblers. They even have one for coffee. They have different sizes. And there's one more. All right, let's check this one out. Okay. Wow, this one is big. Okay, yes, they have a lot of different tumblers. Okay, 297 staff members. Wow, this is a big company. Okay, so now I have all my instructions, requirement list, what I'm looking for, everything I need to make this a successful business and successful order. If a supply response is incomplete, ask follow-up questions until I have clear answers on price, MOQ, sample cost. I need all of that information, okay? And production time and shipping. All right, I'm going to authorize Accio work to hook up with Alibaba for me to hit up different supplies. You press continue after you read all that information right there. All right, now we are connected. Alibaba's connected to my Accio work. So now it'll work on my behalf and speak to different supplies. So I don't have to be typing all day, all night to different supplies. It's going to do it for me. Look what Accio work is going to do for me. Wow, he got his first inquiry for me. Okay, we're looking for 40-ounce stainless steel tumblers with the following specifications. The material, the safety, the quantity, customized logo. Yes, can you provide formal prices for me, right? Okay, has to be vacuum insulated stainless steel tumblers. Yes, please. Okay, I need have any management confirm pricing and leads. Yes, we can supply these. They can do it for me. I put, okay, I can do this, but guess who's doing it for me? Accio Work is doing this for me. Oh my goodness, that saved me so much time. How much should my target price be? They're going to tell me now. Okay, they say like $7, $5 to $7 USD. Okay, so no more than $7, between $5 and $7. That should be my target range. Look at all the different tumblers. That is what I'm interested in. Look, all the different colors that come in. And I like the price. And I don't have to buy that many pieces, like 25 pieces. Okay, so I can start off like that. And if I sell out to 25 pieces, then I could buy more. Okay, let's get the price and quality as low as possible so I could do a trial run selling them before making a big commitment, okay? I don't want like 500 pieces yet. I want to get a few. And before I make a commitment, it's giving me the price. It's giving me the average, how long it's going to take to sell. Look at all of this. It can come to California to me. Look at this, 100 units, $6, target price, stainless steel tumbler. It's giving me everything. All I got to do is put my zip. It can hit up the supplier for me with all this information. You know how much time it saved me? It did everything for me. It did all the heavy lifting. Wow. The user instruction push for 100. Look at that. Find and summarize 2 more supplies options and tell me which one looks best for ordering a sample. Include risks and what I should confirm before payment. Okay, so now I'm going to narrow it down to 2 sellers. They're going to find me the 2 best sellers that I'm asking for right now in my range. They found them. They found them already. Okay, I need to see a comparison side by side. Let's see if we can do that for me. Okay. Yes, they did it. Look at that. Side by side. Okay. Okay, one had been in business 2 years, one been in business 1 year. I think I like the one to the left more. Okay, even though I have to buy maybe more pieces, but it targets the North America, so it can get to me a lot sooner. Great reviews. And this one, over 440 reviews to the left. Look at that one. excellent. The other one says good. I'm going with excellent. Yeah, so that is the supplier I'm going to hit up. Okay, I need to verify. I want a logo mock-up. I want all that. I want to know how long it's going to take to get it to California. I need a trial. I need a couple to check out. The order sample is giving all the information for me. Order a sample. Can I see an email mock-up of the inquiry that would go to the company about what I'm looking for? Don't leave any information out, okay? Give me everything. I want to see an inquiry for me. Here you go. Dear, and then they put the name of the company. I am interested in a 40-ounce stainless steel tumblers and would like to request a formal quotation for a market validation trial run. We're looking for a long-term manufacturing partner, and we should start with this initial batch to test our local market response. Excellent. Look what it said, and it gave you all the specifications that I need. Look at that. All I gotta do, look at it. Put it. My zip is already in. The shipping method, everything. The delivery goal. I want it no more than 10 days. What is the best price for a 100-unit trial batch? Look at that. Then I'll put my name and the name of my company. CC, I put it in inside your hustle. Boom, all that. Best regards. It did everything for me. So I don't even have to write an inquiry. I don't have to type in nothing. All I had to do is tell Accio Work what I needed. It found the supplier. It found everything for me. It even gave me an inquiry. It gave me an email draft. So now they can shoot that off. If I like it, shoot it over. Wow. That was amazing. Look at that. It's giving me everything and why it's so strong. It tells you why that was such a strong inquiry. Awesome. So if you already watched my other Accio Work videos, this is the next step. We already talked about using AI to research products and explore business ideas. But with the Accio Sourcing Toolkit, the focus is on taking the idea and moving it closer to a real supplier conversation, a real quote, and a real sample order. So if you want to try it out, you can download Accio Work and check out the Sourcing Toolkit at accio.com/work. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, and hit the notification so you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try working with Accio Work. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.
Accio Dropshipping, trusted suppliers, I'm ready to play.